What's up, everyone? So I just got results from Julio's DYNO test from Johnny. Right now, Julio, Hugo, Holly, and Em are currently at the Skywalk. As you see, they're still going through it. So I'm about to tell them the good news about the DYNO right now. So I'm gonna be recording. All right. I got Johnny on the phone there, and Johnny's about to tell him the results.
Yep. I got 3.
Come on, dark as fuck. Here.
No, come on, dude. I mean, mine look dark as shit, bro. They look badass on the screen.
All right. Hey. Ready?
Hey, yeah.
Go for it.
Papi.
So after the gapping and everything,
Uh-huh.
we hit 1,004 points.
Yes! What was it? 1,000 what?
1,004 points.
Yeah! How much boost? How much boost?
I think he said somewhere around like 45.
Damn, baby! Hell yeah! You're done?
Yeah, we're done. He leaving us the 2-step, and that's it. We're leaving.
Okay. Hell yeah, dude.
Dude, I'm like,
He's excited as fuck, bro. Y'all gotta see the video.
Wait, what?
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I just got back in town. I was on a vacation. We went to Vegas and the Grand Canyon, whatever. But so on the last video, I think I said it, I don't remember, but on the last video I said we were gonna take my car and my brother's car to the dyno. So we did. I just picked this one up, Popcorn B2 from Elite Performance. After we get a dyno, we got a dyno at Elite Performance, and while I was out of town, Paul, J-Rod, and Erwin from Elite Performance, they were, you know, taking care of the tune and helping me with all the fucking problems and all that shit that we had. Anyways, we got some exciting news. The car did really good after all the problems they had. It actually did pretty good, so we're really excited. The car made 1,000 horsepower. Now this is on a dyno jet. We're gonna take it to the track and see if, you know, back it up, the 1,000 horsepower to what it runs to the track. The horsepower numbers don't mean shit if you don't back it up at the track. So we guessing they might be around 880, 850 horsepower or so, but on the dyno we saw 1,004 horsepower on like 45 pounds of boost. Cars running E98. Pretty fucking awesome. It's pretty fucking awesome, don't get me wrong. It's nice to have a 4-digit fucking dyno number, but like I said, hopefully the car will go as fast as it went on the dyno and back up those numbers. Also, we have my brother's car tuned. It made about 640 or so on a Mustang dyno, but the power graph is just coming up a lot sooner. It makes a lot more power in the mid-range. And like I say, it's a dyno, it's a Mustang dyno, so it's a little bit lower. So I mean, like I said, we don't care about the fucking numbers. We just want to go to the track. Hopefully we hit 9s on both of the cars, and then we can start adjusting this one on the boost by speed, since I have a rear speed sensor, and hopefully we start getting it down to the low 9s, hopefully a high 8-second pass, and go from there. So we're super excited. We have all the videos from the dyno. Check it out, let me know what you think. And we also have a video of my reaction, my brother's reaction when we were out of town, and they were telling us how much power the car put down. So it's pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with it. I want a big shout out to J-Rod, Johnny, Paul, Erwin, and the guys at Elite Performance, because man, they had so many problems with the car. At first they thought it was a crank sensor, cam sensor, all this shit. It ended up being the map sensor. I fixed it the getaway just to get on the dyno, and it bit me in the ass because the fucking connector came loose, and you know the car was having all these problems. And finally, when they fix it, fucking cars are running badass, runs a lot better. And that's when they start getting all the numbers, start doing full pulls. The car made 1,004 horsepower at 85,000 RPM. So it makes power all the way through, or almost all the way through. So that's pretty good. It's pretty excited. We revving it to 85. So yeah, it's pretty good. So, you know, I can't really say thank you enough for these guys, because, you know, anybody, it's a few tuners that will actually stay with you and help you with it, because their job is just to tune the car and that's it. They don't have to fix none of your stupid shit, because it's not their job. But I really appreciate all the help that Paul did. I mean, he got out of the car, started changing the cam sensor. He was on the phone with me. I was going back and forth. Johnny was going back and forth from the shop, getting tools, buying some parts for me, changing it, working with Paul. Erwin also, the guys from Elite Performance. I mean, it's awesome. It's awesome. I really honor them a lot. Like I said, they just, I mean, if Johnny wasn't there, and if Paul would have been like, you know, fuck that, that's not my job, that's not my thing, I would have been screwed, because I would have come back with the car that is, you know, broke down because me, or because the connection that I did, and the car wouldn't make the power that we did. So thank you guys, thank you a lot, and yeah, man.